This is a student tutorial designed to show you the two different ways that your teacher may push out your Edulastic test. Either A, through Google Classroom as a post, or B, by accessing the Clever portal. We're going to go through each one so that you know how to access your Edulastic test. If your teacher designates Google Classroom as the place to locate your Edulastic test, you will go to the stream and notice hopefully the uppermost post should be a new assignment via Edulastic. Please click on this link. As you open it up, you will be prompted again to click on another link taking you directly to Edulastic and the test. Once inside Edulastic, you may notice that your test is not available or it's not being shown. That's because your teacher has not released it just yet. However, if you made it to this location, you're doing great. Notice you need to be on the upper left-hand corner most icon, have it selected. Please do not choose the middle, choose the top. That tells you all the exams that you're ready to take. Be patient and wait for your teacher to release the test. Let's look at the second method, how to access the test through the Clever portal. Okay, if your teacher is using the Clever portal to place an app for Edulastic inside of here, then you would simply go to your teacher's page, pull open the Edulastic app, and enter through there. If the app is not available, then you may go to the search at the very top, type in Edulastic, and you will see that it prompts you. It is notated by a green circle with an E in the center. Click on it, and it will automatically take you to your account to access your test. As you can see again, the test has not been released. You'll need to wait for your teacher to open the test so that you're able to take it. Again, from this method, make sure you're in the upper left-hand corner with the topmost icon that looks similar to a speedometer. Wait there for your teacher to give you further instructions. Once your teacher has assigned the test, you'll notice your screen is still blank. You will need to go up to the address bar, go to the refresh icon, and click. It will now refresh Edulastic's page, reload, and now your exam will be present. Over to the right-hand side, it will say Start Assignment. The assignment will prompt you if you have a time limit, and you will have a time limit for this exam. Please note that and click Continue. Take notice, students, that this is a timed assessment. Your timer will be up at the very top inside of the green bar. You also have access to a calculator in which you can click upon and open it up to use as you see fit. Other than that, you have a couple of other options just to pay attention to. You need to go over to the left-hand side where you see the arrow key moving to the right. Click on it to open the side panel. This is essential to navigate between pages. You'll see you're prompted to be on page 1, scroll down to see page 2. If it's difficult to read the entire question, please go to the left-hand side again and click the minus button. This will decrease or zoom out so that you can better see the question. As you begin to choose answers, you'll see that for each one, the number and the letter that you choose turns green, so you'll be able to see where you are. As you move to different pages, make sure you please use the left-hand side for that. You do have the ability to have the text turned into speech for you. You have a Chrome extension, hopefully it already is installed, called Read Aloud, a text-to-speech voice reader. This is one that is already unblocked by our district and you're able to use. Highlight whatever sentence you want read. Go up to the text-to-speech extension.
The solubility graph below shows the amounts of 4 substances that...
And you can see it will read it for you. Click off of it to make it go away if you choose to. So that is available. If you do not see it, it's not visible to you, please go to the Ed Puzzle marked extension. Looks like a little puzzle piece right there. And then go down, and if your pen is gray, like this one is gray, it means it's not visible. You have to click on it to make it blue so it will pop up and it's easier for you to access. That is only if you want the text turned into speech so you can hear the question being read aloud to you. Once you've completed all questions and you've finished all of them, you will click the submit button. It will verify what you want to do. As you can see, I have several that were not done because this is only an instructional video. So you can see there what you have left. It will highlight the ones that are skipped for you, so you have a chance to go back and review them as you want to by simply clicking on the specified number. However, if you are finished doing so, you may click the submit button and the test will be turned in for you after you verify. Good luck.